Doja Cat is better than Ice Spice. Alright? Get that straight.
I am super mega almighty, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God.
So yeah, why am I making this video? Well, due to the fact that Doja Cat is better than Ice Spice, and there's no long story about it. I just believe in myself, and I also believe in Doja to tell her that not because of she's not inferior to Ice Spice, but because of she deserves this belief that I have in her. Why does she deserve this belief that I have in her? Well, because I am super mega almighty, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God. I'm super almighty, mega omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God. I am almighty, super mega omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God. And yeah, that's the fact. That's exactly what I'm telling you. So yeah, Doja Cat is better than Ice Spice. I wouldn't categorize the two of them in the same level. Doja Cat is ways up there. She's up there, okay? She's levels, okay? Yeah, and that's still the fucking point, okay? Doja Cat is better than Ice Spice. Let's watch some of her fucking videos. That's pretty fucking cool. Feels good. So yeah, the video that we get to watch of Doja Cat is Doja just being Doja. That's the video that we get to watch. Okay, that's what this whole video is all about. Okay, this current whole video is all about. All right. Okay, so yeah, let's check out some Doja Cat. Let's check her out. She's fucking great. She's fucking amazing.
So I was like, I'm gay.
She's gay.
And then I went, oh, oops, sorry. Yeah, happy birthday. I meant to say happy birthday.
Ha. All right. Doja Cat, Doja being Doja. She's fucking amazing, okay? A compilation by TWIX. Shout out to TWIX.
I may be a princess.
Okay.
Yes.
She may be a princess.
But I'm the queen of my fucking business.
Okay, she's the queen of her fucking
I'm the
business.
manager.
She's the manager.
Who the f are you?
Who the fuck is she?
Exactly. Sit
Alright?
down.
Sit the fuck down, she
Stinky
said.
ass.
To herself, she's stinky ass, or I don't know. Alright? Goddamn. Goddamn. Goddamn.
Scar. I like the word tits. Tits are nice. Tits are great.
Yeah, like damn, Doja Cat is pretty fucking amazing. She's good. She's good, okay. She ain't bad. She's good.
Are
ha stalling
necessary.
All right.
Listen. Stop.
Okay.
I'm gonna fuck you.
Okay.
No, it's not.
Goddamn. Stop. She's gonna fuck me. Wow, that's pretty fucking great. Okay, great. Yeah.
It's hair.
All right.
Wait.
Okay.
Wait.
Goddamn. Goddamn.
It's a weapon.
It's a weapon. Jeez.
No, it's
Whoa.
not. It's a bow tie.
It's a bow tie, okay.
That shit is tangled as fuck.
Ha.
Say that shit again.
All right.
Say it again.
Okay.
Damn.
Goddamn. Goddamn. She's a terrible.
What, I give my
mother to a
kids
cat.
weed, and that's just how I do it. That's how I get about my day.
Okay.
I do what I gotta do.
Okay. So yeah, she's feeding her cats with marijuana. That's bad. I don't support that. Don't feed your pets with drugs. Okay, drugs are bad. Drugs is a very touchy subject, especially on YouTube. But still, don't feel. I ain't scared of saying drugs. But the point is that don't feed your animals drugs. That's a very bad trait. I got to give you a. That's if it's actually drug. But if it's drugs and you're feeding your pets drugs, then like down. Okay. No, that's very bad. All right.
Alex, fuck this shit up.
Okay. Alright.
You think that's funny?
Alright.
Let me tell you something.
Okay.
It's not.
It's not!
My titties are wet.
Her titties are fucking wet! Sheesh.
You got lemon juice on your titty.
God damn!
My titties are covered in lemon.
Whoa!
Get off of me. Oh my god.
Oh, God
Oh my fucking god. Jesus Christ. Oh my
damn!
god.
Alright.
I like our lives to be just between you and me.
Okay. Sheesh.
Me and us.
Okay.
Yous and me's.
Alright. God damn.
You wanna know why?
Okay.
Because I got the fish shoes, bloop bloop. Yes, I got the fish shoes, bloop bloop.
Alright.
Hi, I'm horny. I mean, hi.
That's a fucking
My
problem.
single Juicy and Megatron by Nicki Minaj and Fresh by Cardi B. Shut the fuck up, Alex.
I have my goddamn wig perfectly laid at all times.
Okay.
If I want to wear it like it's a hat, then that's high fashion.
Alright.
Do you see this?
God damn.
Get into it.
Okay.
You're just horny. You're horny.
She's
You guys are horny. You're
Jeez.
way too.
Doja is horny. Doja is horny. Doja is horny. Sheesh. Pow! I'm gonna shoot you, Doja. Pow! I'm gonna shoot you, Doja. Pow!
Horny.
Okay.
Alex, you can lick the Cheez-It,
A cracker.
but you cannot wear it as a hat,
Okay.
because that's frowned upon in
Alright.
America.
Morica. Okay. Thanks for watching. Okay. God damn. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, great. Pretty cool. Whoa. So yeah, that's the clip that we get to watch. I'm glad you guys enjoyed this clip. This is exactly how it's supposed to be. And yeah, before the final outro, you get to watch my ads, okay? So my ad starts in 3, 2, 1.
I am extremely rich. I am extremely wealthy right now. I absolutely love being a trillionaire. I have $1 trillion now in my bank account. I can see on my bank statement that there is now $1 trillion. I am extremely rich. I am extremely wealthy right now. I absolutely love being a trillionaire. I have $1 trillion now in my bank account. I can see on my bank statement that there is now.
Superstar icon. Alright, let's go. Look at me now, what I've been doing. I've been going grocery shopping in town, getting you things. I've been thinking about you all of the time. Can't get out to street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. Even though there's a baby around, can't get out to street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. To the edge of the night, whatever, I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping. Hold on, where's my wish list? Okay, look at me now, what I've been doing. I've been going grocery shopping in town, getting you things. I've been thinking about you all of the time. Can't get out to street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. Even though there's a baby around, can't get out to street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. To the edge of the night, whatever, I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping. Hold on, where's my wish list? Okay, look at me now, what I've been doing. I've been going grocery shopping in town, getting you things. I've been thinking about you all of the time. Can't get out to street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. Even though there's no baby around, can't get out to street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you. To the edge of the night, whatever, I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping. Hold on, that's my wish list. Okay, look at me now, what I've been doing. I've been going grocery shopping in town, getting you things. I've been thinking about you all of the time. Can't get out to street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. Even though there's a baby around, can't get out to street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. To the edge of the night, whatever, I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping. Hold on, where's my wish list? Look at me now, what I've been doing. I've been going grocery shopping in town, getting you things. I've been thinking about you all of the time. Can't get out to street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. Even though there's a baby around, can't get out to street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. To the edge of the night, whatever, I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping. Hold on, where's my wish list? Okay, look at me now, what I've been doing. I've been going grocery shopping in town, getting you things. I've been thinking about you all of the time. Can't get out to street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. Even though there's a baby around, can't get out to street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you. To the edge of the night, whatever, I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping. Hold on, where's my wish list? Okay. there's a baby around, a baby around. Not forever, I've been coming back home.
You made it! The video is ended. Thanks a lot for watching. Thanks a lot for subscribing. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, without any much further ado, take it easy. Peace!
I am super mega almighty, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God.